The Frontier carries over into 2018 with minute changes. The base model adds more standard equipment such as air conditioning, a backup camera, cruise control, and a 5.0-inch non-touch color display with Bluetooth connectivity. Nissan's Midnight Edition trim joins the Frontier lineup later in the year, adding black exterior pieces, grille, 18-inch wheels, step rails, and more. What was new for 2017, since its introduction in 2005, yes, 12 years ago, the current gen Frontier is largely the same. Apart from a glorified facelift for 2009 that also brought the off-road-oriented Pro 4X trim, it has received only minor updates that continued for 2017, with a list of changes that included a new body color rear bumper, previously chrome, and a work truck package. Both revisions applied to the entry-level S trim, with the option package adding a spray and bed liner, bed rail caps, splash guards, and rubber floor mats. Trims and options. We'd choose the Frontier is outmatched by modern rivals on pretty much every level. However, it can be an affordable option for those who want a straightforward pickup truck and don't care about fancy bells and whistles. For that, we like the mid-level SV trim with the optional V6 and 5-speed automatic transmission. It starts at $25,945 with the extended king cab and rear-wheel drive. We'd avoid the crew cab due to its limited legroom and $1,130 premium. Four-wheel drive costs $2,890 with this setup, but it's a must for Midwest winters. We'd also add the SV Value Truck package for $1,890. It includes dual-zone automatic climate control and heated front seats, trailer hitch, spray and bed liner, and sliding bed extender, cargo box channel system and adjustable tie-downs, rear parking sensors. The SV trim also features standard bed rail caps, remote keyless entry, and a 3-month subscription to SiriusXM satellite radio. In total, our Frontier SV King Cab 4x4 costs $30,725, a fair price for an obsolete albeit useful mid-size pickup.